Hello folks, good afternoon. So what I'll do today is I'll walk you through the steps that I took to basically register my domain and as well as my hosting package. So the domain I took is from oneandone.com. So basically I found them to be selling a .com domain for less than $1. So I purchased this last night. However, today apparently it's gone up to about $10. So I guess purchasing in GoDaddy makes more sense now today. Nonetheless, I will walk you through the one-on-one control panel, and after that what I did was I took the hosting package from iPage. So iPage basically gives you approximately $2 a month hosting package, which basically is unlimited domains along with unlimited bandwidth and space, and even the database can be of unlimited number. So as you can see, what I did was I selected the 1-year package, which works out to about just let me remove this. So this works out to be about $23, which is roughly around 1700 Indian rupees. It also makes sense to take it for 2 years, which then roughly works out to about 3000 rupees. So you can basically, for the next 2 years, you don't need to renew it, because I am pretty sure that these guys are going to increase the rate when my renewal comes in. But that's okay. Let me proceed with what I did. So first what I'm going to do is after my domain is purchased from one-on-one, I can basically log into the control panel for one-on-one, and I also need to log into the control panel of iPage. So let me just log into the control panel here of both the sites. So as you can see here, it's showing me the domain which I had taken, and here as you can see, it's showing me the account that I've hosting package that I have taken from iPage. Now what I'll have to do is basically, since these my domain uniquely you is kind of registered with a different company while the hosting is at a different company. So in order to tell somebody you trying to access this domain where the website is located, I need to change the what we call as DNS name servers. DNS is nothing but domain name system. So it's basically a human language name that will be converted into IP address and all those technical stuff. Let me not get into that. So what I have to do is I just clicked on manage my domain, and as you can see, what I have to do is just come down here under domain settings and click on edit DNS settings. So when I click on that, by default your DNS settings will be on one-on-one name servers, but as you can see, I have already changed it. So for me it's showing as my iPage hosting. Now where do I get this particular information? I get it from my, so basically I get that information from my control panel dashboard. As you can see here, it's mentioned your name servers. So I just need to copy them to a notepad so as to make sure there is no formatting, and then I have to copy one line at a time. Go to my DNS settings here and just paste this ns1.ipage.com as well as ns2ipage.com, and when I say save, it basically will prompt you that do you wish to save this setting. You just have to click on yes, and that's it, you are done. So as of now I'll just click cancel because I've already made those changes, so I don't want to do that again, because these changes basically takes a little time to register in the servers. So that's why I'm not doing it again.